Hello, I'm Jim the Ice Cube. I am an ice cube, as you can see, in the solid state of liquid. An ice cube, its molecules are packed together vibrating. This is so this makes me have a definite volume and a definite shape. As you can see, I've been left outside. This is because I live in a science classroom with a science experiments. This is my first time I'm going to be used for one, so it's going to be really exciting. The teacher has left me out so that I can melt into ice. Look, I'm actually melting already. Melting is a process in which an ice cube gains heat or energy and melts into a liquid, so it's going to be really fun. This is a picture of my molecules right now. Right now, my molecules are packed together, vibrating. Those lines mean they're vibrating and show that they are not just stuck together, but they do have low energy, so they only vibrate. In my liquid phase, which has happened, I have a definite volume, but not a definite shape. This is due to the fact that my molecules now have more energy and space, so they flow past each other to take the shape of the container water is put in. My molecules, as I said, now have more space to move and flow past each other. In my liquid phase, I also have a medium energy compared to my gas phase, which is to come, and my ice cube phase. As you can see, this is another picture of my molecules. As I said, they're a bit more spaced. And those lines mean that they flow past each other to take up the space of their container. This is known as my vaporization stage. As you can see, my temperature has gone so high that my molecules have gained so much energy they go crazy. They bounce on each other and spread out to take the volume given. Now I do not have a definite shape or volume. Wait a second, the doors open. And as I can see, the windows also open outside. This is not gonna be good. This, again, is another picture of my molecules. As you can see, they're even more spaced out, and these lines mean they just bounce off each other and go crazy. Since my gas went out the window and my molecules are crazy, they bounce off each other like a madman. They raised up all the way up to the clouds. But frankly, it was quite weird. It was cool. Not as high as it was when I was on the heater. Slowly, my gas started turning back into liquid, which became rain and fell to the ground. This process is called condensation. It is a process in which a gas loses heat, which, as I always say, is energy, and turns back into a liquid. Finally, all those raindrops fell on the cold ice of Antarctica, where it is below 0 degrees Celsius. So I lost even more energy. It falls back into an ice cube. This is called the freezing stage, in which a liquid loses even more heat and turns back into an ice cube, which in other liquids' case, would be a solid.